been away for work, so I haven't had an opportunity to open up all of my goodies from Blackstone. But because I was the Great Griddle Off winner, my winnings are in here somewhere. So there is a golden spatula in among these boxes. But I also, along the way, won a $150 Blackstone gift card. So this is, you're gonna see everything I got as a result of that contest. So you're gonna see what I spent my gift card on, you're gonna see the winnings box with the spatula in it and all that good stuff. So this is gonna be a fun unboxing. So I'm gonna probably start over here because this is a pretty heavy box, so I'm pretty confident I know what's in this one. So let's check it out. So with my $150 gift card, I went out and bought some stuff. I have a lot of the accessories, but there were some that it was like, it'd be nice to have more of those. And so, yeah, this is exactly what I thought it would be. So this is one of those that I kind of wanted another one because usually I don't make just one pizza. And so having two of these so that you can have two doughs kind of prepped and ready to go in those cast iron pans to make deep dish pizza is kind of nice. So I have one of these, but I went ahead and got a second one. So these are very nice kits if you haven't gotten one of those before. I don't know if I want to stand that up. It's probably not a good idea. And then there were a couple pizza things that I did not have previously. So I did get a couple new things. So I got this, the pizza sauce ladle. So when you make your own pizza sauce, which I do often, I can scoop it up. And I like that it's got a flat bottom because it helps you to kind of spread it on the pizza better than a spatula, you know. So that's kind of nice. And then they have a new pizza cutter that I went ahead and got just because I liked how small it was. I want to check this out. So if you haven't seen this, this is their new one-handed, handheld, what do they call it? A palm cutter, palm pizza cutter. So it's got this nice little protected and cover there that you can open up. Actually, that's a really thick blade there. It's not flimsy at all, and you use that to kind of roll over your pizza. That's nice. I like that. So that's part of what I spent my $150 on, is some pizza accessories. I believe this box is my other thing that I spent my money on. This I'm really excited about. Okay, so we've got a box inside a box. So if you watch my videos, you know that I like to do some frying on the griddle. And sometimes deep frying is just better as opposed to trying to fry on the griddle top. So what you've probably seen in some of my videos is that I use an aluminum pan and fill it up with oil and just fry it on the griddle top. You know, I acknowledge that that's not the safest thing in the world and that there is better ways, but that's part of the reason why I bought this. And this is available on Blackstone.com. It's the only place I've ever seen it. It is about $70, so it's a little pricey, but again, I got a gift card, so I figured why not get it. So this is Blackstone's frying basket. And so what's nice about this is I no longer have to put an aluminum pan. So I don't know if you've seen my new griddle, but I got a newer griddle with the side burners over here. And so now I could just set this. And I'm pretty sure this was made to go with a Lowe's version of this same type of griddle that has side burners. But I think I figured it out, and it's sitting pretty stable over top of the burner. And so what I'm excited about is now I can do those deep frying dishes without having to put them on the griddle top itself and having to worry about all that. And so I can actually put my oil in here. It comes with a nice lid. It comes with a nice fry basket that you can hang on the back. And it has an oil thermometer so you can keep track of your temperature. So I think this will be a nice little accessory. I'm going to do a little bit of reading to make sure that I know how it's set up, but it looks pretty stable now. Like, it's not going anywhere. That oil would not spill. So I think I've got it. Okay, so far that's where I'm at. I've got my fry basket. I've got some pizza accessories. So this is what I've spent my money on. So now this next box must be, as I suspected, the reward box. So this is the rewards for winning Blackstone's Great Griddle Off, which thank you to all of you for voting for that, helping me win. I would not have won without your votes. Oh, look, see, Blackstone did a nice little presentation here. We've got this little Blackstone cover. It's really nice. So let's see what's in it. Oh, look at that. The Great Griddle Off emblem. It says a lot that I can't see. Okay, so just so you can see it here, we've got this nice packaging. It's all sealed up in paper, Blackstone sticker. Nice presentation, Blackstone. Good job making it feel special. I guess I gotta tear into this. So we got a nice thank you card from Blackstone. Ooh, a handwritten thank you card. That's very nice. It says, thank you for participating in the Great Griddle Off 2023. You inspire us and we can't wait for next year, Griddle On. Even though I can't enter next year because I've won. But I'm excited to watch next year and not have to enter. That's probably the best prize of all. All right, so let's see. We have a Great Griddle Off hat. Look at that, that's really nice. That's a nice hat too, it's not Velcro or anything. So that'll be nice for showing off. We've got some Great Griddle Off stickers. Ooh, quite a few stickers in here. Here's another sticker. And then, oh, there appear to be 2 spatulas. Did they give me 2 golden spatulas? I kind of want to save the golden spatulas. Hold on. I'm going to wait on the spatulas. Let's look at what else is in there. All right, so here we have an apron. The apron, this is what we would have won if you win your food category. So since I won the dessert category, that's why I got this special apron. So I already have one here with my name on it, but now I have one that has the Great Griddle Off emblem on it. It looks a little different style-wise. No orange stitching or anything, so it's pretty nice. So that's a nice new little apron. Let's see, is there anything else in this box? Feels like there is. Oh, of course, the cookbook. So there it is, the winning recipe, the blueberry brie grilled cheese, and it says winner on it. Okay. So it says over top, Great Griddle Off 2023 and dessert winner. And then here, this is actually almost like plastic. I should display this. We have some nice little display poster here. Again, with that kind of thank you note for entering and being part of the Great Griddle Off. So very nice packaging. So now let's get to the spatulas. Let's look at them. I'm surprised to see that there are 2. Are they both gold? I don't know. And it's the thinner spatula, like almost like a hibachi spatula. Ooh, is that gold? Yeah, that's gold. So there's golden spatula. Looks like number 1. Looks like I got 2 spatulas. Yep, second one is gold too. Oh yeah, look at that. 2 golden spatulas. Actually, this is great because my logo with the 2 spatulas and the skull. Maybe that's what they were thinking. Go right there. very nice. I'm very excited. Thank you, Blackstone. Thank you to everybody who voted to help me win this with my blueberry brie dessert grilled cheese. So there it is. I'm gonna figure out a way to display it, so hopefully you'll be able to see it on display back here at some point in a future video. So thanks for watching.